Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Praise is due to Allah, Lord of the world, who has given us mercy and blessing, so we can gather in this place without any trouble at all. And secondly, salawat and salam be upon the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, uh, who has given bring this Islam din from the darkness era of Shirik and Jahiliyah to the brightness of Islam era. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to present my second project, namely is problem solving. I choose a topic, namely is how to overcome conflict between friends. Okay, next, friend conflict of friend conflict often overlooked problems. Friendship problems are normal and can happen to anyone, especially between teenagers. In friendship, there can be differences in opinion, jealousy, misunderstanding, or even betrayal. These problems can make the relationship feel distant and cause sadness or disappointment. However, friendship problems can also teach us valuable lessons. We can learn to understand others, control our emotions, and communicate better. With an open attitude and respect for each other, many conflicts can be solved and the friendship can stay strong. This friend conflict often overlooked problem because we are uh, most from us feel like conflict between our friend is not important because we feel we still have many friends in the environment. Okay, this kind of causes of conflict. There are many causes of conflict. There are differences of opinion, different ideas or views. Yes, if you uh, do discussion with your friend, it's normal when happen differences in opinion because in between friend in discussion sharing their opinion, and if you not agree with your friend's opinion, uh, uh, you can make conflict between your friend. And the second is competition. Yes, competition uh, are often make conflict between your friend, especially to your uh, enemy in competition, because especially when you lost in that competition and your friend celebrate to you with his winning. The third is influences of suspect, uh, and the fourth is misunderstanding, wrong message interpretation, and the five is lack of communication, no clear communication, or you rarely communicate with your friend, so because that your friend feel like you not care with his with, him. And the sixth is feeling of injustice. The seventh, emotional pressure, stress affecting behavior, and the eighth, in interferences from others, or namimah in Islam. Impact of conflict: there are break up friendship if happen conflict between your friend. It can be break up in your friendship. The second is the clash becomes disharmonious, and the third, mental stress. The fourth, loss of trust or difficult to trust each other again, and the fifth, formation of Christian group or environment becomes divided. The sixth, increase in gossip and slander or fitnah. The Seventh, loss of motivation, no enthusiasm or interact to or achieve. And the eighth, growth of hostility, feeling of wanting to dissent or retaliate. And the last is uncomfortable environment. Example and characteristic of conflict cases. The first is misunderstanding in chat group, chat not replied, or the social media post. And the second, respond to sarcasm via social media. The third is friends become distant from each other. The fourth, the work group is in disarray. And the fifth, avoiding each other from meeting. And the last, gossiping to others. Uh, so in this presentation, I have many purpose. There are educating about conflict and providing real solution for the school environment. Next, alternative solution. Uh, I give you seven alternative solution, but after this I will choose the most effective between them. The first is open communication and mediation by a third party, and the third is listening without interrupting, and the fourth is avoiding harsh language or sarcasm. The fifth is writing letter or message politely to your friend, and the sixth practicing empathy, and the last admitting mistake and apologizing. And the best solution is mediation and open communication. Mediation, you can invite the third party to solve the problem between your friend, solving problem from the root and building two-way understanding and reducing drama and misunderstanding and increasing social maturity. Implementation step from a mediation team, OSIS, guidance conclusion, or from Guru BK. If you have a class in BK, you can uh, overcome this problem. And socialization and education in the classroom, facilitate conflict resolution session, and communication and emotion management training. Resources required are a special team, character class, PK teacher, homeroom teacher, safe mediation space, support from the school, and student council. Conclusion, conflict can be resolved. Conflict is normal, but it must be resolved. The best solution is mediation and open communication. By understanding each other, we can strengthen friendship. The most important thing in friendship is empathy. Just also, if you have empathy in your friendship, you can make your friendship stronger than before. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.